Broadcast Center in Los Angeles. This is CBS 2 News at 11 a.m.
Now at 11, we are on storm watch right now. Evacuations have already been ordered in some areas ahead of this bomb cyclone storm. Welcome to CBS 2 News at 11 and streaming on CBS in LA. I'm Suzanne Marquez. The rain is moving into Southern California. This is a video from Santa Barbara where it was pouring just a short while ago. In Ventura, it rained at the beach today. You can see the raindrops on our lens as the storms moved into our area, and you can also see the high surf. And here's a live look outside of our Mount Wilson camera of what you can see. Main thing you can see is the raindrops on the lens, and you can't really make out anything else. But folks are driving through the rain in downtown LA. Let's take a live look from our camera there. Folks making it through, not driving too fast. That's the way we want to be when you head out on the road. Now we have live team coverage, beginning with CBS 2 meteorologist Amber Lee with the latest on where the storm is now and where it's headed. Amber.
All right, so we've been tracking this all morning and we've been watching it slowly move down the coast. This is something that we've been talking about since last week. This is what we call a bomb cyclone, and that's because we had all the perfect elements in place. We had a low pressure system tapping into the atmospheric river, and then at one point this low pressure system dropped 24 millibars in 24 hours. So that's what categorizes as a bomb cyclone, and with all the elements in place, it dropped basically like a water bomb right over the state of California. So we did see those records being shattered in the Bay Area, and you can see the bulk of this energy now sitting over the Central Coast. From Santa Barbara County, it has finally moved into Ventura County, so we're starting to see that moderate to widespread heavy rain, and we're starting to see a line of these storms moving in right off the coast to Oxnard. And then here's a look. We still have this flash flood warning for that burn scar area in Santa Barbara County until about 11:15 this morning. We still have that flash flood watch until noon for portions of Santa Barbara County. And then we also have a high surf advisory because of this low pressure system up and down the coast here in the Southland. And then as this storm system continues to push through our region, those winds will start to get a little stronger, especially over the high deserts, the foothills and mountains, where we could see gusts potentially up to 40-45 miles per hour. So we're going to zoom in and show you what I'm talking about. So as I mentioned, it is now moving through Ventura County. We're going to start to see more of that heavy rain. And then by the time we head into the next hour or two, a lot of it starts to move into LA County, and then slowly it's going to start to move into Orange County and the Inland Empire. I'll have more of that timeline for you coming up. Back to you.
Thank you, Amber. People who were forced from their homes by the Alisal fire are now under evacuation orders. CBS 2's Cara Finstrom is live in Santa Barbara with the threat of flooding and debris flow. Cara, it's been raining all morning.
It really has. You know, the evacuation order that went into effect yesterday. Then earlier today, the county said, hey, if you haven't left yet, if you haven't followed that order, shelter in place, because at this point it's not safe to drive out. Behind us, you can see some of the equipment, the crews that have been pre-deployed. They are monitoring everything, ready to move in if needed. Our camera was rolling this morning when one of the first strong rain bands moved in. Listen to this. National Weather Service tells us the Alisal burn scarred